Planning a trip to Russia in 2025? If you're coming from a Western country, navigating financial transactions can be tricky due to sanctions and the exclusion of Visa and Mastercard services within Russia. But there's good news. It's now possible to get a Russian MIR bank card remotely, without setting foot in the country. This article provides a detailed, step-by-step guide on how to get a YooMoney MIR card from abroad, a method that was personally tested from Spain. Read on to discover how to prepare yourself financially before your journey. MIR is Russia's national payment system, created as an alternative to Visa and Mastercard. It's accepted almost everywhere in Russia: shops, restaurants, transport services, online retailers, and ATMs. YooMoney, formerly Yandex Money, is a Russian digital wallet and payment platform similar to Revolut. It provides users with a Russian e-wallet, a virtual MIR card, and, as of recently, a physical MIR card that can be shipped to your home country once you complete verification. YooMoney is owned by Sberbank and operates like a modern fintech platform. It supports contactless payments, QR codes, ATM withdrawals, and mobile integration. For travelers to Russia, this offers a practical solution for everyday spending. Here's how you can go from zero to fully MIR card-equipped without ever crossing a border. Step 1. Register on YooMoney. Go to yoommoney.ru and click Sign Up. You'll need a mobile number, can be foreign, a valid email address. After confirming your email and number, you'll receive a Russian virtual MIR card linked to your YooMoney wallet. While technically usable for online purchases, it's limited until you complete verification, KYC. Important notes: if you're using a Mac, use Chrome, not Safari, for smoother site compatibility. The mobile app isn't available in Western app stores. For Android, use the APK link on this YooMoney promo page. For iPhone, use the Safari browser and add the mobile site to your home screen. To unlock higher limits, 500,000 rubles, and request a physical MIR card, you'll need to complete YooMoney's KYC. The process is fairly straightforward and done through the app or mobile site. Take a selfie video while moving your head in a circle. Upload a clear scan of your passport. Must be the same one you'll use for travel. The verification system is powered by MTS, a Russian telecom provider. It may take several attempts, especially with the passport scan. Lighting and contrast matter a lot. But once you're verified, you're upgraded from anonymous user to verified user, which unlocks full features. To request the physical card, your wallet must contain at least 799 rubles to cover the shipping cost. But topping up can be the most challenging part. Here are the 3 options. Option A, top up with cash in Russia. Ideal if you're already in Russia, which defeats the purpose for most travelers. You can deposit cash at a Sberbank ATM or certain YooMoney offices in Moscow. Option B, use a foreign bank card. Some foreign cards, mainly Visa, work. Others like Mastercard or UnionPay often don't. Go to your YooMoney account. Choose Top Up. Enter your card details and amount. Be aware, YooMoney's exchange rate isn't great, but it works. Option C, use an exchanger, Bestchange. This is the go-to method for most travelers. Bestchange is a reputable platform listing exchangers that convert foreign currency, euro, US dollar, to rubles and deposit directly to your YooMoney wallet. However, most exchangers require an intermediary wallet like Volet, previously ADV Cash, a Russian phone number for SMS verification. But there's one workaround. Use EasyBTC, a rare exchanger that doesn't require a Russian SIM card. All it needs is a verified YooMoney account. Here's how I did it. Opened a Volet account and completed its KYC, selfie plus passport. Topped up Volet with euros, used EasyBTC to convert euros into rubles. Sent funds to my YooMoney wallet exchange rate, approximately 78 rubles per euro, which is acceptable. Other exchangers may offer better rates, but often come with stricter requirements. Note: P2P crypto options like Bybit are limited. Most sellers require a Russian SIM card. With at least 799 rubles in your wallet, you can now request the physical card. Go to the YooMoney app, select Cards, order Physical MIR card. Enter your home address, any country is fine, choose to have your name printed or opt for an anonymous card. Confirm payment. YooMoney estimates 2 to 6 weeks for international delivery. Mine arrived in 16 days, shipped from Russia via standard postal service. You'll get a tracking number that works with both the Russian postal site and your local system, e.g. correos.es in Spain. Once your card arrives, here's how to activate it. Log in to the YooMoney app. Select your new physical card. Enter the card number. Receive an SMS code. Set your PIN. Your MIR card is now ready to use for in-store purchases in Russia, contactless too, online purchases on Russian websites, ATM withdrawals in rubles, train tickets via rzd.ru with VPN, tickets for museums, theaters, etc. Sending rubles to locals. The physical card is valid for 5 years and includes a security code and QR link for app installation. It functions just like a normal debit card within Russia. You no longer need to physically enter Russia or rely on cash to prepare for your trip. With a little patience and the right tools, you can set yourself up with a fully functional MIR card from YooMoney, ready to use the moment you land. This method is ideal for tourists and business travelers, expats, foreigners with family in Russia, anyone needing to make ruble transactions remotely. Just follow the steps outlined above, and you'll avoid the headaches of blocked cards or cash-only limitations. Prefer a local solution instead? You can also pick up a T-Bank card, formerly Tinkoff, upon arrival, but getting it done in advance is one less thing to worry about. Now you're ready, MIR card in hand, to explore Russia with confidence.